Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very good day. Miners are stacking, Elrond's price is ripping, and more people are coming back into the crypto world. Let's talk about that. Before we start, the usual, use a VPN. If you want to get in contact with me, Twitter or Discord, everything is in the description. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button if you like the content, because you help me trigger the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm. That's how more and more people will find my videos, and that's how my channel will grow, and that is a huge favor from you. So we are at the Bitcoin price, and as you can see, we closed above the 200-day moving average, which is very good for many people. That is the sign that we are in the bull market. Now, for me, the sign of being in the bull market obviously is when we do a new all-time high. That will not come in the next couple of weeks, I mean, from my perspective, but this is a very good sign. And as I said before many times, I still think that in September we will see a bigger growth. I think that will be the time when people will truly come back, but we already could see signs that people are coming back. Now, before we go there, I want to show you something. I think a correction is on the horizon, because as we touch the CME gap created on the way down at 47,000, we also have a big resistance, and that is visible in the Fibonacci retracement. Now, for many traders, this is a sell sign because a retracement is imminent, and everybody or many people expects Bitcoin to go back to the 43,000s. That would be a very good point to buy in if you are on the sidelines. Now, don't forget that we also have a CME gap on the 33,000, but lately Bitcoin doesn't really close the CME gaps. I am not sure why. This is also a very good buy-in point, so maybe for a small amount a buy order on this level makes sense. Maybe it will just do a whip down to close the gap. Maybe it will be a long squeeze, who knows, but for any eventuality, this could be some easy money, some easy gain. Ethereum is at the 3,100, and after this massive growth, I do think that, yeah, a correction should happen sooner or later. Elrond is ripping. I mean, it's at 140. We have a very big green candle series here, and yes, usually Elrond is I treat it like a special boy. It doesn't grow with Bitcoin, it drops with Bitcoin, and out of nowhere sometimes just shoots out and gains 10-20%. I'm okay with that. I'm holding and staking Elrond there. For me, this price noise doesn't make a huge difference. Nevertheless, I also like to see Elrond going up. Now, as I said a couple of times, we do have here a price target, a resistance, which could bounce us back 10-20% to correct and maybe try it a couple of times more. But considering right now that maybe people will start to FOMO in, I wouldn't even hold my breath for that. Maybe if the US Senate will successfully ease up this tax bill, we will see very big growth, both Bitcoin and altcoins. The other one is ORN. As you can see, ORN had a huge gain, and back from the 21st of July up until now, ORN doubled its price, more than doubled, but right now with this resistance it bounced it a bit back. Now, this is nothing to be scared of. We have here this 50-day moving average as a support. I think time will tell, but if you want to jump into ORN, maybe it's worth jumping in with a smaller amount and wait out what the price will do. I always tell you never to go all in one move, because maybe you need to work out a good dollar average. Helium. From now on I will also try to cover Helium, because as you probably saw in my previous video, you can now mine Helium without investing. It's with iHub. They will send you a mining rig and you will get 15% of what it mines. Obviously you can also buy it for $450. If you want just to try it, then I think that is a good option. Watch my video here about it, and if you do have other questions, just write it in the comments or write it on Discord, and we will debate about it and we will try to find more information. Now Helium is at this resistance in this triangle. It already broke out. It was kind of a fake out, but if the price continues to go sidelines for Bitcoin, if the market doesn't crash, for which I don't really see big probabilities right now, I do think that Helium will break out and yeah, go for distance. I also want to mention that Helium did not crash as much as the others. As you can see, it went mostly sidelines, and I think this is a very good sign. This is the sign that many users are mining and trading and staking. People are coming back to crypto. Now the total crypto market value now is at 1.9 trillion, and the last time it was at 1.9 trillion was the May 18th, and that is something that is very huge, and it's visible on the prices as well. It seems that people got bored. As I said several times, people got bored, they came back from the holidays and then want to make some money. They want to earn back the money, maybe what they sent, and they started to reinvest in crypto, which is a very good sign, and that could send the crypto prices in higher levels come September, October. Also very good news that the miners are stacking again. Now the miners were on the move almost all summer, and the hash rate is coming back, meaning that the miners maybe settled down, they set up their rigs, the mining companies expanded their business, and now they started to stack Bitcoin, meaning they don't sell, and that is a good sign. Probably you saw on articles or other bigger channels videos that very popular and widely used trading tool flashed a buy signal for Bitcoin, and that means for the whole crypto market. And this is one of the indicators which it watches, because when miners are stacking, that is a buy signal for us. When miners start to sell, that is a sell signal for us, because a lot of Bitcoin is expected to flow into the exchanges. For the last news today, EMC Entertainment, which is the biggest cinema company, they start to accept Bitcoin as payment for cinema tickets at the end of the year. And that is very good, because these companies are huge. I do hope that they will expand this payment option to other cryptocurrencies as well. I don't really like to see people paying with Bitcoin. I don't think that Bitcoin is appropriate for that kind of financial transaction. I do think that Bitcoin is an asset, is like gold. You don't pay with it, you hold your money in it, and for payment we have many other altcoins, Elrond obviously, but Ethereum is also much better than Bitcoin. This is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked the content. Obviously, you would do me a huge favor helping triggering the YouTube algorithm. Take care.